Guys, what do y'all think? Look at this platinum Super Duty in front of your boy, man. Ooh, it's in the ruby red too. It's a platy. Oh, he about to get into accident, man. What y'all think? Think I need that joy in my life? Look at it. Ooh, I need that, guys. I really do want an F250. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. All right, guys. So it's funny that that platinum F250, F350 was right there at the time, because I didn't want to talk about this because I don't like to talk about stuff unless I'm really about to make it happen. But this honestly is just me talking to y'all, just talking. We just talking, ain't no action about to happen anytime soon, right? We literally just got talk, right? But I just want to talk, man. I just been going back and forth debating what I'm trying to do next for the channel. So I'm so torn. Like, y'all want to talk about torn, guys? Like, your boy Q just don't know what he want to do. So right now I got the truck in the Camaro. I do want to say I am ready for something new. Like something new with the truck, right? Something new with the truck. Whether it be a new truck or something new with the truck. Probably most likely a new truck is what I really want. I do want an F250, F350, right? Probably F250 Super Duty. If I had to do that though, I would likely get rid of red and get rid of the Camaro. I had to get rid of both. Like I said, your boy Q ain't bought like that. I wouldn't be able to keep both the Camaro and get a new truck. Potentially, you know, I don't know. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. The second thing I want to do is either just keep the truck, keep red, and upgrade to a Camaro ZL1 or like a Mustang GT350. That's the second option. That's kind of what I want to do there with a car. I want to keep a car on the channel because I love cars. I love speed. Y'all know me, I like to drive. I like to have fun. I get a new truck, guys. I need some excitement in my life. The truck is just going to be driving back and forth to work, etc., etc. I'm going to get bored. I need some fun, which is where the car came in at. The third thing would be just get another F-150, a newer F-150, and maybe trade and get a bike, a motorcycle, or keep the Camaro. I'm not sure yet. I haven't thought about that scenario because I really don't know if I want another F-150, to be honest with you. After seeing the F-250, I just need an F-250. I don't need it. I want an F-250. I'll be honest with you. It's just like the natural progression. Like, I just want that big boy. Like, I need the big boy, man. Even though I don't do no towing whatsoever, I just need the big boy, you know? Y'all can comment below. Like I said, ain't nothing about to happen anytime soon. Brielle got to get a new car first. I don't know when this is happening. I'm just thinking. This is just my thought progression as of what I've been doing every day. I literally have been searching ZL1s, F250 Super Duties, GT350s, every day. I look at scat packs every now and then, you know. I've been looking at HD 2500s for Chevy. I've been looking at Ram 2500s. Literally, I'm just, you know, like I said, I'm just looking around, man. Just trying to see what's going on. If I had to look at it from a channel, what's good for the channel? What will be best for the channel to push the channel forward, right? Right now, I know a F250 Super Duty would be the best thing for the channel. So you probably think, well, Q, there's your answer. I get that, but you got to realize too, whatever vehicle I get, guys, I have to live with that vehicle. It won't just be for the channel. That would be my daily driver vehicle. I don't have the luxury to have, well, I got multiple vehicles now, but I don't have the luxuries of whatever vehicle I get for it to not be my daily driver. So I have to take that into account too when I'm trying to pick something. Like I said, this just got talk. We just talking, shooting the shit. Excuse my language. Beep. Well, I really want an F250. I want a 2500 truck. It may be a Chevy, it may be a Ram, whatever case may be. But at the same time, I really like the thing of having two options, guys. I love having a sports car because I really love cars too. Like, I really love cars. Honestly with you, 90% of the things I watch on YouTube are car related. I rarely watch lift the truck videos, guys. I just don't, because I guess I do it myself so much and I see it so much. I don't really care to know about lifted trucks. I mean, they're cool to watch, don't get me wrong, but I really watch car stuff 90% of the time. I'm watching something car or motorcycle related, to be honest with you. And the thing is, people like, yo, keep red. Like I was saying, red is pretty much done, guys. I can put some 24x14s. I have thought about it. You know, I can do a few more things, but honestly, I just need this truck to be reliable. It's to a point now to where it's reliable. I don't have any issues with it. It's not giving me problems at the moment. I don't want to get crazy with it and overdo the truck. You know, a lot of people saying upgrade the turbos and, you know, all that stuff. I had to do another. I'm gonna have to do a tune revision if I do that, and I don't want to really mess with that. The truck is solid how it is, and I want to keep it that way. I appreciate the ideas, but I'm to a point now. The truck is almost, what, 10 years old. I don't want to be just throwing money into the truck continually anymore at this point. I just want it to be reliable and running and look good, you know, and she is that. Once to upgrade into a car, like getting a car, I got the Camaro SS1 LE, and it's a great car, don't get me wrong, but I think the ZL1 has a larger presence, and most people like look for a ZL1. And then the GT350, I know the GT350 has a larger presence for sure, I would assume, but the GT350, guys, you have to get, I hear the best years to get are 19 to 20 and 20, you know, 19 to 20 years, because the previous years, you basically have some issues, and you're gonna have to have a warranty and all that. So that's kind of scaring me away from the GT350s, to be honest with you. Just a lot of issues I hear people have with those cars. You know, maybe getting a new truck and maybe getting a bike, selling the Camaro, getting a bike, and back with a newer truck could work too, you know, because bikes aren't near as expensive as cars. And I will say this thing I learned, it's so much harder managing 2 vehicles as opposed to 1. I look at a lot of channels, usually they have 1 car. The big guys have like multiple because they're like millions of subscribers, but like most successful channels have 1 car for a while before they reach that point. And maybe I jumped to the Camaro too soon, I'm not sure. If I did get like an F250 Super Duty, it would probably just be the only vehicle, because I'm gonna need funds to not only pay for the car payment, right? Let's be real, we just talking, I gotta put miles into the truck, right? So at the time, that might just be the only thing I will have on the channel. I think a lot of people like that, you know, the F250, but I love car stuff, guys. I literally love cars. Like right now, I like the fact that I have both. And then when I sell these, do I want to do these as trade-in? Do I want to sell these privately to like maybe one of y'all want to buy red? I don't know. You know, the Camaro, do I trade that in? And just a whole bunch of stuff, man. I just been thinking, but right now I'm torn between getting a 2500 series truck or upgrading to like a Camaro ZR1, a GT350. But with that being said, that means the truck, that's a nice little, not little, but nice. Got a nice exhaust on it, sound good. See right here is being funny. It sound good. It sound like 5.0. You hear it? Or this funny I'm mentioning is the dark horse, guys. I've been debating keeping the Camaro 2SS1 Elite long as I can and trying to keep the miles off of it, and then trading that for a dark horse and use that as a trade bargain. I've been definitely thinking about doing that too. I definitely think the dark horse on the channel would do great for sure. Can I afford dark horse? I don't know. We have to see what the price look like when we get there. I can tell you, them things probably gonna be like, what, $60,000, $70,000, probably 80, maybe. I don't know, I haven't really seen prices on them yet, honestly, or I haven't paid attention. But a lot of y'all said don't get the diesel because of the maintenance. That's another thing. If I did get an F250 diesel, that'd probably be the only thing on the channel because of the maintenance, the thing that go along with a diesel. And I know a lot of people saying you don't need a diesel, but honestly, be real with y'all, in the business of YouTube and what I do in the niche I'm in with cars, you kind of have to have not the highest end of cars, but like if you get an F250 Super Duty, you kind of gotta have the diesel, to be honest with you, just for YouTube purposes. And like if you're going out and about and shows and things like that, you kind of gotta have a diesel because that's what people want, that's what they want to see. So it's kind of like they come with the territory, right? It basically is what I'm trying to say. It comes with territory. I do want a diesel, be saying that, but I could go without a diesel. I don't really need it. I don't tow. So, but for the sake of YouTube and things like that, having a diesel would be better. Social media presence, the diesel would do better because it's a diesel and everybody loves diesel. So anyway, guys, come below. Like I said, what y'all think? Just talking with y'all, man. Another Vlogmas video, nothing crazy. Like I said, this is not coming anytime soon. Literally just throwing out that we want to get a better car. Not better, just a different car. Keep the red where it is and just focus on the car, or get a new truck, start doing some new truck. It was really 50 split. A lot of people said get a new truck, and then I saw people said, nah, bro, keep red. That's your dream truck. You built it how you want it. She only got 85,000 miles on it. It's not even close to 100. So, you know, it's not a lot of miles on the truck at all. Anyway, come below. Just a little rant, just a little thought, just a little talk with your boy Q. We'll see what the future holds. You never know. But yeah, I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.